even more chaos. Joseph Tare season 2.
Let me show you something. Okay.
Mhlampe like wena ukuze sizoba right kule nto le mina ngithi ngicela ukuthi kwenzeke since ngichazela ukuthi emveni bakwenzeke yonke la nto eyenzeke lapha ngizamela ukuthi ngihlehle kubantu because ngibona ukuthi le nto awuyithandi.
This is the freakiest show I've seen in South Africa on YouTube. Big Brother is way freakier, but on YouTube, this one takes the crown, chat. No cap.
Ngisacela unginethuba yazo.
Guys, ningathathi nibuye njengokuthi usidudla. Niyazwa, we hygiene hla simple nayo. Calm down guys. Yeah, understand? 2, ukuthi akagundile namhlanje akusho singayaza kude kusasa.
Ayikho indaba mina. Ayikho. Ngiyacela nje ukuthi uphume nje empilweni yami.
All right, ngizophuma.
Ngicela uphume.
I'm out.
Ngikufuna nje ukubona ngiphambi kwamehlo.
I'm out.
Uyangiyangisa nje manje ngathi ngahlala.
So right now, Studla doesn't have a girlfriend, chat. Let me just tell you that. Studla is the only one who doesn't have a couple. So these two, Studla and her, are not dating anyone. So they're the only ones that are single. Move your body, move your body, move your body, move your body. Yeah, when? What have to? What have to?
Ziningi izinto ezenzekile at the same time bengisendaweni obumnandi kusukela sikujatshula ngihlukana naloya muntu at the same time mase ngithole omunye umuntu then mase ngiyarealize lo muntu lona sengimtholile akayona lento engiyifunayo lo engimdrophile useyilento efunwa yimina ukuthi kuphela into ezistory bengakangi-understand what kind of a person am I. So manje into eyenzakala nje manje
This nigga from Steers wants everyone. Why ufuna wonke umuntu? Why ungasiphi chance? Ufuna ukuthatha wonke umuntu if you're being honest. This nigga just wants to take everyone. Now you want to go back to your ex? Nah.
umuntu ubuya nje umuntu confused yabo but then at the same time futhi lo muntu lo usakhona uphethwe intwana-ke kokweza and yangivukuza leyo way leyo yabo. That's why ngicine sengingasa kwalo muntu lo sengithi nginayo isikhundleni sokuthi ngiphile naye ngimnike lento akayidinga ngisakwazi ukumna lento ayidingayo just because of what mina umqondo wami ususendaweni ezimbili ngesikhathi esisodwa and ngibuka abantu abaningi ngesikhathi because sengizele la mina uthando. So angikwazi ukustikha endaweni eyodwa because angazi lo muntu uthi ungiphatheleni okanye uzonginikani ngithola. So into eyenzakala nje manje ukhona umuntu ukuthi
what this nigga says uthi uyena uze la for uthando. So my brother, you already dating the sister, why are you not staying? As angikhona ukuhlala endaweni eyi-1 because ngifuna uthando. No, you don't want love, nigga. You want to cheat and fuck everyone. If it's eqiniso, dog, you're fair. Let's be honest.
Yamphatha usilena
Ngicela ukunitshela aveze enze starring if ebona abantu. Ngathi like uyayenza lento yakhe. Ebehleli phezulu kwetafula uthi uzongitshela ekseni uthi ngikubuke wena kwaze kwaza. ngithi ungibukeleni ngoba ukuze ukwazi ngabe uzongithini ngithi futhi hayi wena hayi ngeke uyangincisha ngincisha ini ukuthi uyaphapha ngibone ngathi sinento yakhe nje ngazi ukuthi ijunqozi ingane
Ukuthanda umuntu is not about usena o six pack ngazi usena laba abanye babungathi bano six pack
thina sifuna imali bafuna imali. They want the money and they want this money. Look at this 10 rand. Itabukile kodwa bayifuna. They want it. Bayifuna le
ba machama boy mina nginikeza imali ukwazi ukuthi uphila kahle intombazana yaneliswa yilo ukuthi umzimba kanjani uzoyivesela impamba no nginikeza imali ube right.
We have a keys around the in the balcony. So and from that time, hey, you go in the room, hey, that lady. You see when the lady is taking off the clothes, when you're touching that ass, my man, hey, there's that thing. You got a goosebumps in your body because hey, that lady is a nice one. You see when it's on top of me, hey.
Bhuti khuluma isiZulu. And Joseph Dari says, you mustn't force, dog, it's his show, but you mustn't force and try to speak Isilungu. Just speak a language you're most comfortable in, dog. And that's it. I'm trying to go to I don't look at the like
Me crazy. That ass is thick, but it's moving.
Ngithe ngivuka nje ekuseni banothi usibangela umsindo ebhizi screaming. Into emnandi inkosi yami awukwazi ukuyibamba umsindo uyayiphumela.
Small girl lentombazane yellow bone cremora lapho kwigame ngiyibona intwazi leni young defender abanye amantombazana akhuluma ukunya ngami akazi ukuthi na ubhuti onemali ngiyabona futhi usena sekuyidebate futhi idebate ingami abafowethu kuyabala uso 1 number bani ba number bafuna ungifaka egcineni bayabasho bona bayabuyisela 1 2 3 kodwa belo bekhuluma ngathi sidudla khombisa ukuthi bayangifuna bakhuluma ngakho mina
sidudla bakufuni. They just said you were number 4, Pro Chacho, you were not number 1. Why let me tell you, but say, dog, you are number 1. You are not number 1. They said you the number 4. They said actually you number 5. No, number 6. You and that black brother, dark skin brother, you put that number 6.
Mangengeza mina onemali umphathi weimali.
I save uSidudla because ngimthandile. He's a nice guy yena uyahlonipha uyinalempatho le ebengiyibukile vele kuyena ebekade ngivele ngizele ukuzoyifuna la. And he also sent me money, so unginikezele nje i-5,000 and I was so happy.
My partner is such a cool gent and he's so cool. I just don't like the fact that uyathanda ukuthinta-thintana. He wants to move.
He is too horny. Like most of these niggas are too freaky, but I can't blame them. Nigga, if they say I'm going to Zimbabwe and there's like 5 maidens and 5 boys, you know I'm trying to get it. Amber man. You know I'm trying to get it. Hear that shit.
Very fast, and I'm not planning to have like a short-term partner. Angizilanga lokho lana. My plan is to have like umuntu engizophilisana naye for quite a long time. And yesterday we had an argument of which that didn't go quite well because
He tried to hlokodla untombi but the ntombi many times Josepha this, Josepha that, Josepha profile picture Josepha Josepha wakhona lo useke futhi indaba yakhe kwasanaye futhi walo Josepha lo
Take that.
yabona kwasilungu manje asisaphumi na kahle futhi sona futhi isilungu manje le ntombazane ngenza isilima le ntombazane ngikhuluma nawo kahle kamnandi la ngifuna ukuyenza intombi yami uzofuna ngidlale ngesandla mina ngidlale ngesandla ikhona lento ngicene ngisishaya ngesandla hayi khona into ebengizoyenza uyabona.
What the fuck? I told you, Jay, there's niggas that freaky ass joints in this show, chat. Bro, you just met the lady like yesterday or like 12 hours ago, maybe 8 hours ago. Praise already, hey nigga, play with your hand, you dumbass nigga, you freaky ass nigga.
Waphela mfethu ngiyathemba ukuthi nimbonile lewa moto loya zinqazi zinqazi Kudi big
round yabona sexy yabo.
Izinga zamantombazane umbencomathi uyizinga mina akayiboni nezami ngoba nje uyazi umzimba wami ngine nezinga zami inkinga yakhe angazini la ndoda emfishane ushebeshe ukuthi nami bengibonenile kuyona nempandla angazi.
Was not good. My name is Joseph Daddy. I'm back with my people. They were dancing. I just didn't like how they were dancing. So I had to call them and then we do clap hands for yourself, guys. So I'm gonna do what we call elimination, né? Usually that's why I don't like this part mostly, but I like it mostly because it shows that we are here for love and we're here to catch that 20,000, 5,000, you know? If okay, can you guys stand in couples? Can I have you guys standing in your couples? Not as gents, as niggas, guys. Please, let's make it fast, within 1 second. Literally. I learned the word literally after learning the word literally. You're with your couple? Are you with a person? Okay. Guys, try to find space. These cameras are too big. So when I call your name, when I come by you, it's YouTube, guys, very has to be easy. When I come by you, you come forward, and then I'll give you a decision of how your relationship or your couple did, according to what I've seen and according to how or when you got in the house. We good? Okay, this couple, can you guys come forward?
Elimination. We're taking them out. They're not even a couple, chat. Actually, couple lover. Stula is saying now she wants her back because Stula, you don't have any options. Stop acting like unama options, Stula. I want options and this lawyer can't. So go back to her, my brother Stula, please. But they're getting eliminated, chat.
So we're gonna do it simple, nah? They're gonna come back, guys. Don't close their space. They're gonna come back. With y'all's couple, nah?
Yes.
I feel like there's something there, but it's not really connecting. Like it's going there, but it's coming back, holding back, and it's holding us back. Now the show, I don't understand if you guys are really here to catch love, because you put Amborafa. But you guys went to the next level, actually. Clap hands.
So who's getting eliminated?
Okay. But what I'm trying to see from you guys is connection. Like, are you guys serious with each other?
Yes.
Yes.
Unafuna isibhumu nje kuphela. Ngibona ngomlomo. Okay. Can I have this couple? You guys are a decent couple. I feel like you guys are all I just need to see is more of the connection. You know, I don't see you guys chilling around a lot in the footages. I don't see you guys doing that. So mfana, just for that you guys went to the next level. But I just love the fact that you guys are trying to make it look like you guys are a clear couple, kind of. Right? Let's lock the hand for them.
Flock
you guys can go back.
Flock it.
Can I have this relationship?
I eliminate.
You guys want me to stand here for you guys. So with you guys, right?
Eliminate.
With the problem that I'm having with you guys, right? Which is unfortunately that you guys didn't make it to the next round. Is that I don't see you guys literally trying to make it, even fighting to get this money. The brothers always, you don't want her, bruh.
No, ngiyamfuna.
Nayi Mike.
Ngiyamfuna.
So manje uyamsaba.
Che, yabo kusaba amantombazane you gonna lose 25,000 ngoba usaba amantombazane. Hayi. Dog, this lady gave this nigga her panty. Oh hell no. And bro still didn't hit. Fucking hell, man. This guy's a bitch, yo. Look at him. Brother. You had that chance. You had that chance to get closer and win Manyan. He deserves to be eliminated. You can keep my sister, in my opinion, because she's the one who's been trying to get in love. But this nigga, eliminate him.
No, ngimsaba.
What happened? Palace already shy. It's in the past now. What happened?
No, I'm not sure what's on.
Yeah, bitch.
You don't know what happened.
Yeah.
I want to hear her opinion. What do you think is the problem, my sister?
Ugayo ngosiyami angazi noma ushayi but ngizamile ukuthi ngiphaphe mhlawumbe uzobe useyakhululeka ngamtshela futhi naye ukuthi no if unomuntu wakho kumele ukuthi nawe yabo khona nawe uzokwazi ukusakhululeka but still mhlawumbe 3 times mesindawonye futhi yabo if umthinta akayifuni lonto leyo uyifuna menisekamereni ngaphansi kwamashidi kumnyama engakuboni ungamboni
Okay.
Hi.
Now like that.
The conclusion is this nigga doesn't like Ponani. That is the conclusion. He doesn't like Ponani. And he deserves to get eliminated. I would love to keep my sister in the show, but she also has to go because they were a couple, apparently.
You guys are not going back to the line. Can you guys stand on the other side for us? But it was good having you guys there.
Oh, sengiyahamba. Kanjani manje?
Kunomfundo izinto eziningi uyayijaha ujaha too much yabo but nje okuningi yakho nabe wenzeka but kunomfundo ya alright kodwa nje usiyajaha kakhulu.
Pro chat, you ain't getting no bitches no more. You ain't getting no bitches no more. Here in this show, they just choose you because they don't got a choice. In the outside world, you don't gotta be shy. I wouldn't say, I'm not saying you're gonna papi. Like, okay, but like you can't, even if when you're it's gonna get boring, and when she gets bored, uzothole enye indoda enemali efit enakonke, then you're gonna.
If you don't find love here, maybe King Ginger is doing this kind of show. You can find something.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Chad, what happened to King Ginger, dog? No, King Ginger, like that guy was that guy, like in 2024. 2024, yeah, he was that guy, Chad. He was one of the genes who inspired me to start a YouTube channel, Chad, in South Africa. I won't even lie. Because I used to watch his show, like, him and Joseph Tari, when it's your boy, King Ginger, Kim Della Kim, but now what happened to him, man, the fall off is crazy, but all love to my nigga, King Ginger, Kim Della Kim.
Cap. You can't steal this one.
You can't.
Saragaditenu, kawa kantung, patagampama. Veta channel ka chari subscribers ela kamu kampa momu one. Can I have this couple come forward?
Are these two like they in love, Chad? No.
You guys just literally.
Chad, I know why she does. She has to have a BBL, Chad. She has to have that Brazilian butt lift, Chad. She has to have it. No help. I should just
go back. You guys did good. I don't have much to say about you guys. Can I have... Can I have this couple? Did you guys come to me? Can I have you guys? How do you guys feel about this couple? How do you feel, you? Galong tatele mic.
Let's share it.
Yeah, kona kumnandi kuba naye like talkative. Kodwa phela ungenzi kakhulu. Ngicela.
Wenzani kakhulu? Empedeni onjani? Wenzani kakhulu?
Ngathi ngithanda kakhulu mingibuka.
Ufuna
Manje nje ufuna ihlezi like seduze kwakhe noma ngakhuluma nomuntu nje. Ufuna ngibe eduze kwakhe kodwa
so mara izinto zihamba kahle.
Yeah, ngasho njalo cause ngizomlalela if esho something.
Let's be honest, my sister, you just don't want to go off the show. You just don't want to lose the 25k because nina nisandani nina obvious lento le.
Cause akwandile abafana balaxazana odoti abanye
When how do you feel, my brother? Give him the mic.
Hayi mina bengabona lutho lenkinga like ukuthi umuntu othanda kakhulu idiscipline yabo.
You love discipline.
Yeah, I love discipline.
This nigga says he loves discipline. Oh, now he's funny. This guy this guy is a funny guy, right here. He's a funny guy. Umina no trying discipline when you're going around busy trying to fuck everyone. That's not being disciplined. That's just being a pervert. Trying to get his dick sucked.
I think things changes within seconds. You love discipline. I think literally things changes in
Can I have
few
a
seconds.
question, please? Una discipline nje ukuthi ngithanda discipline mina.
Who wants discipline? Yena or wena? Or wena umuntu wediscipline?
Angumuntu amene discipline. Ukuthi umuntu esifazana uthini that doesn't.
Oh, you don't get disciplined.
No, kancane. Ngoba yabo
Discipline. It's not like I'm rejecting to be disciplined. I like discipline. It's not like I'm a disciplined person. I'm trying to be disciplined so that
Okay, go back, guys. You guys made it to the next round. The show is about you guys finding love and then connecting with the person. You can't, if you don't connect, if I don't see connection, I'm taking my money back. I'm sorry, because I don't see love. I only need to see love. We hear each other, right? Can I have you guys?
No, they're staying also.
Aish. You know my problem here, ne? Is that you guys are good when the cameras are on. Like you wanna be there when the cameras are on. When the cameras are not on, oh my sister, she's lay with someone else. Slay, talking with some other lady. Ukshile. When now uhlele lapho uhlelena le out iphile ikuphile out or bameliminatile. Unfortunately is out. Uhlelena le out nhlele ekhawuchini. But there's no, I don't see connection. I don't know if you guys want us to see it in the blankets, but we are not entering there, you know? So we can't go to the next level, guys. So as a couple, she had good intentions. You just didn't give her time. You just didn't be there for her. That's why you'd see her speaking with other people. But you can still try outside the show, But what I'm looking for is, you guys want to say anything? What thing went wrong?
Angikholwa ukuthi ngathi khona mhlambe okwrong kumama, yabo? Because ngikuthandile uyazi nawe. Yeah, but ke phela gcineni kosuku kufanele kube khona iwin eyodwa, yabo? So yeah,
you can still win without the show, man. Like, can you guys kiss for the last time? Man, you can still win after the show. Not for the last time, but like for the show.
Ukhishwa egamini, yabo. Akuyona insango akubhenya, yabo. But kodwa ke ngiyazi ukuthi ke bengashuntula sonke isinqe esingaphakathi la egamini. Ngishaye nje sonke isinqe. Njengoba uyibonile ingane nawo zinhlezi yababa nabengayishaya zonke. But ekwenze ngendlela phela kwenzeke ngayo ngaphela.
Me personally,
Bro Chacha, we don't care if you could fuck all of the ladies. You didn't, and you eliminated for that reason. So hambe endlini and watch us win the 25,000. Thank you. Namaste, my boy.
I found nothing wrong with you and me, to be quite honest. I just think, you know, sometimes people have their opinions, right? So maybe he thinks we don't have a connection, but me and you, we have a connection, right? So we didn't win for the show, but me and now yeah.
Aye.
Nah, that's a...
They win for...
Nah, that's a Joseph Darrell, child. This nigga didn't want to eliminate these people for entertainment purposes. I think that's why I didn't eliminate Lava, because they're entertaining. Because these two weren't entertaining. They were just on their own thing, but they had a connection.
You guys want to win for the relationship, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. No money in it. It's still okay. It was good with money. Next thing you wake up in Dubai. I'm kidding. In Cape Town. Because you can't go to Dubai with 25,000. Can you guys come? So we're going to the next round. All I want to see in this round is real moments, real stuff. You guys connecting with your person, showing that you guys have been in, like it's been some days with these people. You literally getting to know each other. I'm not saying you guys should have a otante, but even now I'm a glove. Only if you have gloves, you can touch the dark. We good? Clap hands for yourself, guys. You made it to the next round.
Ngakhulu ithuba engitholile lana.
Asheshe ubisha sawa, bro.
Yeah, lengifundise kukhulu and ngiyathemba ukuthi nami ngizofunda bengingakwazi then ngilungise amaphutha engibe nawo.
Okwenzeke la kuphela la. Umuntu mengibona angacabanga ukuthi ngilwa nomfundo loya lapha ya endlini. Endlini cha no. Angeni lo muntu loyo guys ish ave ngiphethe kahle. Ngiphethe kahle. Angenze landela angiwashintsha ama partners. Ngiwashintsha it's all. Ngicela bandla please.
Kala. Zimbali, we in Zimbali, damn that's Zimbali, shit, Zimbali.
After a finishing show, into eyenzakalile angithi kade sine party
yeah
kade bephuza abantu kumnandi
mina besihlaba
mina I don't drink
awuphuza ngani wena uphuza ngani besihlaba nje thina nwayekela
ngicela ime guys achaze cause khona de yabo bengekho besezansi
besina kodwa phela nje
yes fine besinawo
okay then wayekelana ukubunga ngoba ubuthanda noma ubuphuza
angikuthandi
all right ke qhubeka
so mase ku invite abantu lapha yana baphuma then after that
sekhisha abantu ababekade
Hawe ma uyawazi ukuthula iminyaka achaze aqede
phela ngifuna ukunderstand
Thula pholoba ayinawo
khona nje
umfowabo abani umbone emtshebe le
ukukhona nje akuthula achazela abanye
achaza mama lapha ngiphazamisana
after eventual show so mase off camera and I found out okay mase finding ourselves ngithi we are just chatting okay is overdone and overdone wakhe
bafu
bengimtshela ngithi the time kade silapha ephathini ukuthi umixile ama wine
sure
uphuza white uphuza red ngiyamtshela ngithi ibomb le oyikhandayo ibomb once iyaqhuma it's smelling
fanele afike kumina ngitshela ukuthi hayi baba hamba ogeza yabo bese ngiyabona nami ngifreshen up yabo ngibuye sikwazi ukuthi senze izinto efanele sizenze yabo
mina
Pro Chacho, first of all, no offense, and I know what I'm about to say. Nigga, you are fat. So, you know if you walk, you're not like that small fat. You are fat. You are large, dog. So, you know, if you like, you drink too much or you just do too much movement, you're gonna sweat. And when you sweat, uzonuga. And when you nuga, funegu keze. Your girlfriend doesn't need to tell you that, dog. Just say.
angisakwazi ukusondeduze kwakhe and he is so touchy ukhulumela la
ufuna nokucabula khona
Ucabula phela wena
kuseka kwakhe
ngeke ulalela
umuntu okhuluma ukwazi ulalela mayisiphatalo nokuthi ake
oh Hayi ngeke. Ngizokufaka iphedi-ke emlomeni manje ngoba nje hayi ngeke. Ngizokufaka iphedi.
Okay, sengithule. Okay, sengithule awuthule naba.
Ngizokufaka iphedi straight.
Wena ngizokusakaza ke wena ngizokusakaza.
Ukuthi ungidonsa ikhali ngenza into yenzayo.
Ngomotho umlomo wena. Nawe phela
ave uthokhethini.
Kabatha phela omunye bafo yini kwenze njani phela
umuntu? Awungani ngimlalele nje ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Hayi, ulalele nje.
Bafo kwenza.
Look at this guy. Why is she crying? She doesn't have a reason to cry, dog. Because your man was man. Ukuthi umuntu wakho bakanuku yakhala. Hayi wena sisi.
Tsaleli yini yedala ukuthi uzofika.
Angizanifuna ukulalela mina.
Siyakuzwa. Kwenze njani?
Wezalo. Okay. Wezalo.
Irritated ngalendlela ukuthi ngize ngadinwa, ngakhala and manje sengibona ukuthi hayi bese ngifisa ngisho nokuthi ngicela ukuzidisqualifya kwishow ngcono ngihambe because ngiyabona ukuthi lento ebengiyizele la angiyitholi because bengizile uzofuna uthando but ngiyabona ukuthi no. Ngeke ngize ngilithole because my partner is like that. Thank you.
Usdudla really owed the small girl an apology because naye that's how she felt.
Man. Abona lo khuluma yakho nawe angicasulwa na. Khona amasimba awenzile nawe izola nginyanyisayo. Yabo. Mina phela khuluma iqale lapho.
Imaphi lawa?
Ungasho ukuthi
wasephuli noma lawe
ngize ngiyangena emanzini yazi yele ukuthi
awasephuli noma
wasephuli. Yazi
ngicela uthule. Awunayo iphedi. Awunayo iphedi.
Yazi usekho wena baba.
Yona trouble izinkulu kakhulu.
Wena ubu-wrong.
Sicela story ngala bandla please.
Kufanele uxolise komunye umntwana okwenzile izolo. Oqala manje sikamuzwa nokuthi kade ufuna usiqhubeka thina. Cela usimlalele.
Akachaze khona namuntu oqhubeka nami ngichaza story sakho.
Okay.
Ungakhali phela ngaba.
Indlela abesenuka ngayo is like it's not like bephuma emlomeni phela. Bephuma nje like yabo utshela ngase bephuma ngezikhuzo boya and is yo
bafo usungasageza ingane ke bafo
because ngihambile ngiyogeza ngalo.
So kumele ugezisise bafo.
Njengoba mina ngizwa kwemanje khuluma wa right. Angazi manje ukhalelani.
Lapho bengikhona bra lapho bekuthi angikhale kwami ngibona
Kwemanje ufa impukana ugezanga wena.
Ngize ngasembe yogeza kabili usulu uphinde ugeza yabo nje wena.
Bese kufa impukana ngoba ugezanga and then that smell is deep. Uzozubulala impukana
Kusa nengubo letshebeni.
Kodwa lo mina nginokutshwala njengawe.
Uma awami wena bafo
nawo sosengo.
Okay, manini okay.
Umuntu okhulumayo.
Manini bafethu.
Akaqhubeka.
Qhubeka nestori sakho naqalamba.
Kancane baba.
Hayi indaba esilungisa. Wena modezela wena athi ukhuluma kakhulu.
Mbongo. Wena Mbongo ngazi ukuthi umfoka bani ngicela uthule silalele lo sisi lo ngaphela silalele nini. Isitori silapha
nawe uqala lento yenze ngenxa yakho wena.
Kwenzakaleni izolo ngathi uyeza nazo nje sathi ngilalele.
Okay umuntu odakwayo kakhulu because I hate ismell sotshwala and besingahambi sonke.
Imani ngaqhamanga. Aena guys.
My sister lo.
Hawu akakoqeda nalechazo
umuntu. I-love language uyibona kanjani? Ngeke kube khona love language ngoba ngeke ngize mhlawumbe umuntu ngani.
Also i-love language yakho wena mama i-physical touch. Yes. Okay.
No kodwa bafo kumele ugezeke mukuyiperform umthinte. Shuthi umthinte ungathinta.
Ubenuka beqoma ngihamba ngogeza ngalo. Benuka iququ noma benukani?
Sengenze njani mina because angithi wena
benukani?
Ugezile kodwa okabili.
Umsuka wawo wazi umsuka wawo ungamkhombi. Umsuka wawo.
Uqalamba khona intazana isikhona lesuka khona le ndaba. Khuluma isuka ke. No guys ngeke vele adakwa utshwala nje. Khona into emdakiswa ngotshwala ucelemba. Kwenzakaleni?
Uxolise nje nawe awuyingane shawe leshisa amanzi.
Ngamshaya lapha ekhawuchini ngahamba.
besanuka iququ lapho begqoma ipiano besagqoma ipiano lapho noma besele right ipiano
yini ekumanje kangaka izolo ngoba phela bengashiyo ukuthi utshwala
Yes, sonke into inesizathu.
I-stress shoot nkosami.
stress sano nakufusekho swana uthi stress
Lona yena uzongiphintsha isaba lapho. Nayinto.
hlala phe kodwa phela ngakho
lalelani mina ngisakhula yabo ngaye ngaqalisa izibeni so lento lena nje bade yenzeka lokubuya leyo nto ama flashback so lento ingakhi trauma mina lonto leyo so iyona into enzakalile
akutshelanga mina ukuthi ukwazi ukubhukode iqala
Awucishe wafa.
akima sitshelanga ukuthi ukubhukode iqala
I felt it.
ngicela ukubuza umuntu bomthanda awenza ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi
angihlangana nokuthi kanjani uthe mina ungangena
phela wena
Oh no.
Uphakha.
I won't lie. If it was me, I'm not taking that. No way you gonna do that in front of my fine shit. In front of other fine shit. You know I'm going crazy on you. I'ma hit the claim kick if I have to. No cap.
Ubone mina ngikhala. So wase eza kumina efuna ukuzwa ukuthi kwenzakalani, why I'm sad and engizwela sort of. So ngamxoxela istory sami ukuthi kwenzakaleni. So bezwelana nami ngokomthetho and abengingafuni ukuthi ku end up like that manje sengibuye ngathi mhlambe ngiyisifebe or what, but nje it's just kwenzekile automatically and we just kiss.
into yasephule leyo
Ungangishisa
Ngibile leyo
Thula
ke mina ngifuna manje
thula wena
noma athi into yasephule inhle lento ayenze
ngenda phese ngikhisa omunye my sister just because lo bese ngimtholile ngitsho ukuthi uzokunalento akufanele ukuthi anginike yona akunginikanga kufanele ukuthi kuze kuthathe isikhathi because angikwazi ukuthi ngizofuna uthando la nesex futhi nayo ibalekile ukuthi yazana ukuthi ziphi ziyaphi
sesizwile ke izinto zenezidabukisayo kunento engangihlalisile kahle
Indoda ekhaya.
Uphethe makalona wena ubangani nale ndoda uba
Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! Oh no! Stula is taking out everyone! No, Stula's going mad! Oh no!
Isibize namaphoyisa.
ufuna sikhuzeke
Hi guys, no.
uhleli phansi lapho ngicela amasimba vele uma ngamshaya noma ngashaya lo
Abala umuntu uhlale phansi.
Asibize amaphoyisa ikenjena wonke.
hlala phansi
ushana phela lo
hlala phansi
manje ustand ekuqala
wena hlala kanjani
Manje somela ngikhuzile le ndaba izona. Bengazi izofika la.
Mani yini inkinga
Bengazi akezwa lo wami. Hayi akezwa.
Uyabukela
uthule wena lesifebe leso wena lesifebe leso
ngibanga
ngimshana lona yini ngibambelana umuslim
Hlala phansi, hlala phansi.
ngibambelana intwana lena intwana le ungibambelani hlangana
Nibanga.
uhlangana naphi ngikhuluma nomjita mina
ngibuza ukuthi yini
ngikhuluma naye bengakhuluma nesidoda
Uthule nawe.
ungibambelana umshana ngithi ukhona
Yezwa nayibona.
ngithi ngikhuzile ngibambelana intwana ngibambelani
Awulani.
mina ngicabanga
bangani wena sibheba wazi ukuthi ngibangani naye
thula
Oh no! The fuck? The fuck? This nigga called a bitch from Isfeb, and this girl said Isfeb Unyogo, which is crazy. But this nigga's dramatic, dog. If he wanted to throw a punch, he would have thrown it a long time ago. He's just a pussy ass nigga, no cap. Trying to act all time, bitch. Go back to work.
So when you guys still out there wanna steal this idea, you already cook another one before you even see the end of the other one. So you can, it's like I told you guys, I'm the sausage in the sauce. Because a sauce cannot have, I'm the sauce in the sausage. So, yeah, right? Okay, good. I heard that there's fights in the house, guys. And then there's always fights. You know, if people fight, we bring them the boxing, and then we're not gonna play with them. They gotta trap each other. And yeah, we're not condoning GBV. We're condoning man to man, lady to a lady. Ngijwayela amasimba masibambane. Mara we're trying to do it in a sexy way ukuthi yabona ngabambani ngezandla. So why was there fight? And so we can just speak like human beings. Who wants to speak? Raise your hand. I want to bring this to you if you want to speak. And then tell us why there was fight. Away. Yeah, you can speak. You can speak up. Yeah, you can sit down actually. Yes. Yeah, bolali sofa.
Yabona izathu ukuthi ena ngifuna ukulwa. Ngifuna ukubhekana nalensizwa le. Ukuthi ene manje ngiqabula intombi yami ngithatha kancane. Isona sizathu leso.
Yeah, lesathu benilwa. Oh, borrow me them. Let me just go. Why were they fighting, sister?
Why were they fighting?
Yes.
Bekade belwa ngesizathu sokuthi ubhuti la ucabuze ipartner kabhuti lo wayami.
Kuphi? Izolo
Emaphulini ngizwe ngandlebe yinye ukuthi futhi nayizolo ngenkathi usisi ekhala uhambile wayothola i-shoulder to cry on kubhuti. How bengazi guys?
Uyayazi ini shoulder to cry on? Bayakuyala bayambuyisa.
Yo bengazi ukuthi akazi but bengathi bekubangwa lokho.
Okay, what did you do when they fight, my sister?
So let's be honest. Season 1 was the best chat. Season 2 is but yeah.
Because Ngari, you seem like to be the problem. She's the problem, literally.
I was just ngizobuka nje kuphela.
No, I'm asking. They are not fighting now. When they were fighting, how do you feel? What are you saying?
Nothing.
I was like, why as a elwe? Because we any reason yokuthi ngiye kupark. Ngingafanele kuze kufike lapho.
Uyamfuna wena park. Mtshele manje na kupark. Mpeke park. Mtshele na kupark.
PK.
Oh no, bro, he's smiling and giggling like, bro's giggling and shit. Bro, he's giggling and shit. Yo.
So ufuna ukuba naye?
Ngamnikeza ithuba. Ngimbona ukuthi umuntu kanjani.
It's cheating. It's fucking cheating. How do you feel about that, sister?
Uyasangana lo. Uyasangana ezasiswami. Ngeke uye kuphaka. Owami.
Sizobona phela.
Owami. Phaka.
Mbuzo nika yena uphaka imic sizonga. Wena uthi okay ngicela niphakameni ke abalwela uphaka ke. Cela niphakameni ke. Phaka nawo. Kwakunikeza imic. Ngicela usitshele ukuthi wena ufila kanjani uthi ufuna ukwazi kubani kwenzakalani kanjani.
Eish. Mina anginankinga nambotho.
Hayibo.
ufuna ukuya kubani between them uchoose abani ubani lomfunayo
hayi ngicatha uSmall no right
Awema.
hey
Nah, this nigga's just trying to taste every coochie in this fucking house. No capture. Sorry about saying that, but it's true.
Hawu so ngilahla njalo nje.
sobe isikhulu mhlawumbe ukuthi like
hey
How do you feel about this? Stohle ngiphendule.
Cha lento ngiyibona eyamasimba yonke lento eyenzekala ngibona nje imfebo yodwa into engayiphumi lemqondweni ukuthi na lento ayenzayo ngithuka angithathe kancane soka uqabulana nomunye umjida phambi kwami ngizizwa nje ngangithathe kancane
Shuthi sorry.
uyisifebe
Okay.
eish
Sifebe sendoda. Sambe siphansi izinqa zamantombazana angawazi.
Do you guys want to fight? I have gloves here.
Don't. My sister, you too
Ukuthi nje
fine.
ungidrive ukuthathela indoda.
My sister, you too fine, dog. Leave this nigga's park. Leave this nigga park, dog. Umuhle, ukungcono uphume. Uyekele upark. Cause even small is not that. You know. Let's just be honest.
Okay, sharp. Sit down. You guys hlala pants. So I want whoever who wants to fight another person, right, to stand up. If ufuna ukulwisa abantu we stand up, uyamkhomba, yasuka. Now I'm a boxing. Uyafika, uyavulalana, uthatha ama boxing, uyashaya. If you want someone, you do that. Anyone wants anyone? Yeah, now I'm boxing. Usalele pants.
Oh, my legs do it now. Oh.
When are you? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Linda. So are you ready to fight? Would you fight him though? We wanna hear you say. Okay, go over. So the game of the fight is easy. We have 1.5 minutes to fight. So in that 1.5 minutes, you have to have showed us.
Oh no!
Oh
no!
You really stop.
Oh no! You know that Stutla punch is going crazy. You know you know Stutla's punch is going crazy, chat. This is the showdown between muscles and fat, literally. Stutla, no feet.
Yes. Yeah. Jamba lapho ngibona. Tango. I feel you. Cooking.
It's over for you, brother.
Ungamshayi manje.
It's over for you, Paka.
Wait. Hey. Come on. You did this thing, Mus. Why funda planned?
Like Force Martial Arts School.
You did a martial art?
Yeah.
So. Okay. Are you guys ready? Stand here for me. Stand here. Go.
Go crazy.
No, allow me to push you. Because I want to. Yeah, Ganje. Bese wena puto wami Ganje. Yeah, Ganje. Yebo. So, mangiti stop now. Stop. 1 hour 30 seconds. No, 1 minute 30 seconds. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Any last words?
No, I guess.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Any last words?
No, that's wait on the fight.
Okay. Nizongitshela 5.
This nigga is scared. Look at this pussy ass nigga. You were talking like, huh? You were talking. Let's see in the field. Let's see these niggas who talk too much what they do in the field.
3, 2, 1.
Ay. This is trash. This is trash. This is trash. It is trash. This nigga can't even fight. He might even miss this punch. He missed. I put up trash.
Let's go.
1 minute akakapheli baba. Sukuma baba. Sukuma. Oh, it's out. Are, let's go. You have 60 seconds more. Let's go. 60 seconds. Count 60 seconds. Uban who's winning? Suda. Okay. Come back, Sud. Let's go. Aye.
This is the worst fights I've ever seen. They either faking this fight or something. Because this fight is bosh. Nobody's going for the face. People are baby hitting each other.
60 seconds. Well, our touch and we don't count. Go.
Oh no.
Is it the 60 seconds? 6 seconds left. Okay. Sien maton. Ukatele. Phela ayikakapheli baba. You can still lose. Action. Go. I'm tired.
Nah, nigga, we are not dumb though, Joseph Dara. Don't do that. Nah, don't do that. Nah, what the fuck is that? Nah, you can't do that. Nah. Oh, hell nah. Nah, we doing. Oh, hell nah. You see that one? You're gonna. Oh, hell nah. Nah, nigga, I'm trying to say this shit in slow motion. No cap. Show me this shit in slow motion. You didn't hit him. Joseph. This is not WWE, Joseph. No cap. All love to you, but this is not WWE, though. Don't make them fight if they're not gonna hit each other, shit. No cap. It's not that.
I'm tired. Hey, I'm tired, I'm shy, puto. I'm shy. Estamos grande. Stop, mama. Aí está. Pagama, chila. Yo. Uluzile. Would you say uluzile? Sazombamba. Mara uluzile. Ubufuna isikhathi esifast. Ubufuna 30 seconds. Besenzela ukuthi ungamshayi ngomzimba. How do you feel about the game?
Sharp man. Bengazi ukuthi ngizomnqoma mina insizwe ngicela impi kanjalo. Ngiqede wena. Ayikwazi bra.
Bewakushaya mara ecaleni ubonile?
Yeah, but then bengazi ukuthi ngizobuya. Nomzimba lo muntu.
Oh.
Timing efunekayo. Yena uzwa ngamanje.
Sala phansi sikhumulane. Who says Sgora won? Boom Kalemba won? No one says Kalemba won. Who says he won? Sala phansi sikhumula amaland.
Nah. That was the worst fight on YouTube history, chat. Nah, dog. Nah. If you're faking something, make sure we don't see that you're faking it. You get it? If you're faking that fight, it's like, nah, man, that shit just pissed me off.
When out to the put.
Hayi uyabona lana beqhathwe
isithuthuthu nemoto ezinkwa ayingakutshela hayi bayishayisile imoto ezinkwa isithuthuthu ayisiyagibela ngaphela.
Oh. Okay. Anyone wants to fight? Anyone wants to fight?
No one
wants to fight?
No one wants to fight. Play truth or dare, Joseph. Play truth or dare, nigga.
When I tell about when who are you telling? You only fight when you have a personal problem. You don't fight if you don't have a problem. What's your problem with whoever you want to pick? This guy or whoever?
Lo ngathi uthatha kakhulu intombi zabantu ngifuna umkhipha leyo nto leyo umkhipha leyo nkanga
ubani shono igama baba
phaka lo kwakhona
woza phaka ungabe ngasemuva siye baba angisho wena you can stand for it thatha mama lento 5 4 3 2 1 count the time. Are you sure you're gonna win this one?
Yeah.
We don't want to abuse you. You see how that guy looks? Eish, what you look, mfethu. Hayi nzima lento. Yakwatisa ne?
Nyanyisa. Sangihlanza.
Are you guys ready? Do you have a problem with him? Unenkinga naye?
Kintwana.
Mara unenkinga naye?
Akinathatha lena manje uthatha
awunathatha lena
akinathatha lena mara yena ubahlokulwana lena akinathatha
wena una
akinathatha
okay arana tata orata unyoko bulela language rena when we better in the Zulu that we speak bayahleka ujo banjani Evan start the practice aphelile amandla okay sharp la anile ani kuma camera ani kuma kubantu lilwela le siyazwana ngisho 5 4 3 2 1 go Ningabamba nashayana anibamba nashayana.
Put this shit in a trash. What the fuck is this fight scene, Joseph? You pissing me off.
Nibamba ngathi manje nabafazi nashayana. Shaya. Angakaboni neshot. Slender lo muntu uzombulala stand up mfana uluzila ubonile lwena
ya ngizokubikela mama ya eyikhona indoda but angihlulekanga.
Who won according to you guys?
Phaka unenduku
wena ngamshaya uphaka wena
hayi ngamshaya mina lo
mara ulu na ende
besinganayo ibeef kuba ibikhona besizoyidla khona manje
hayi okay shut up.
Yeah, what are those fights, Joseph Dara, dog? I never saw 100 pounds. No. You could have made them play a game or something. Damn, bro, that shit just made me mad.
Phaka bafethu hayi ngarala murati phaka abakuthandi indoda ne. How do you feel?
Akinankinga.
Bambi mazi usitshela how do you feel?
Hayi shokubona mfethu akinankinga but ngazi ngaphakathi enhlizweni iqiniso balazi. Uthi bani wenza izinto zenzeka.
Usamfuna futhi?
Mfana omncane lo.
Uyamfuna
ngamshaya kuze kuse.
Ngibanikeze second round. Should I give them second round?
Ube nenhlanhla.
Should I give them second round ne? Singenza second round uphaka no Kelembe ne?
phakathi sibayeni.
Wena ungayikhona wena.
Amanzi amancane. Benenhlanhla.
No, uzosifela.
Yambona kodwa.
So I don't want to see you guys fight. Uwinile, uyamsaba. Ukusuka namhlanje.
What is this fighting, chat? Like Joseph, you could have played a better game. You could have done something better, dog, to just fill in the time, just to make it 50 minutes long, dog. No cap. Cause this is just taking a fucking piss, no cap. I'm not even gonna lie.
Tshelwa yimi ukuthi lo wena uyamsaba. Mina nawe. Oh, uthi mina naye. Oh. Yeah. Brawame. Yeah. I'm not gonna play with you. 2 minutes. No timer. I don't want no timer. Uthi 2 minutes. Linga 2 seconds. I don't want no timer. Angifake mo my sister.
My sister.
Oh. I see you, Baba. No timer. No.
I put that shit in the fucking trash. At least Joseph threw some punches. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. But the rest of these fights were just...
I was saying no timer.
Yo, no timer, which means if there's no timer, so.
Oh, okay. No timer. Hey, I'm a timer. Where's my mic? Thank you. So I'm Sabalo. So I'm Sabalo. It's a good fight. Noma ngishaya nge-style, ngokushaya ngezandla. Yeah, so ngicela ukuthi that's how we're going to control the show, eh? If you want to fight someone, you come forward, you tell me, let me give you the boxing match. Asilweni. Angisho we are in South Africa. Yeah, and we are not on TV, so if siyajwayelana siyeni, yabo? Good one.
That's why.
So when I see you guys another time, I don't want to see the fight in the house. What you guys did out there, I didn't like it. That's why I had to come, you understand? Normally in these days, I don't need to come. Because I would become, oh, I should have a baby. But they are sharp.
What was that though, chat? What was that? Like, what was the last... Man, Joseph... Nah, W video, but dog. What was the last part of... like, those fights didn't, like... You know? Nah, man, Joseph, that's not fair, dog. What you doing to us? Nah, dog. Shit wasn't fair, man. But W video, though. I can help you build a website that would allow people to vote which got to stay or leave. Oh, that's W. For a second, copy yourself to wait this message to okay. Yeah, I'll try that. I'm tired. Pretty kinda. Like, that fight scene, dog, just made me tired even more. Just need to fucking sleep. But yeah, man, see y'all niggas, I don't know one, bye.